Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about sample problems using exponential notation. So, in our previous video, we talked about the different exponential notation rules that we will be gonna use in solving exponential functions. So, in this portion, I'll be going to talk about sample equations involving exponential notations. Okay, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, in this YouTube channel, you will find different subjects in the playlist, such as general mathematics, mathematics in the modern world, basic calculus, statistics and probability, and practical research. Now, let's proceed to our sample problems using exponential notation. So, I gave or I wrote here in this video, I think 8 examples that we will be gonna solve, um, involving the different rules in exponential notation. So let's start with number one. The given is 20 times 32 raised to 1 over 5. First, we need to make this example. Let's say this particular given, um, 1 over 5, right? So that will become, that's fifth root of 32. And what is the fifth root of 22? That's 2, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So we have 2, then copy 20, this one, and you will get 40. So that's the answer for the number 1 example. For number 2, we have negative 7 times 64, 1 half, raised to 1 half. So first, this exponential variable, kailangan muna natin siyang gawing a whole number. So this will become 2 raised to 64. Okay? So what is 2 raised to 64? That's 8 times negative 7. The answer is negative 56. So kung galing si negative 7, dito po. Okay? Next, number 3. We have 8 raised to 1/3 times 16 raised to 1/4. So dalawa yung may exponents na fraction. So we need to solve this first. So we have cube root of 8 times fourth root of 16, right? So that's equal to 2 times 2, and the answer is 4. Uh, Cube root of 8 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. For the fourth root of 16, that's 2 again. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2, 16. And then 2 times 2 is 4. For number 4, we have only 1, and that's 32 raised to 1 over negative 1 over 5. So here we will apply some exponential notation rules, and that's equal to 1 over 32 raised to 1 over 5. Magiging positive na siya basta bin, uh, binaba mo siya. Kung nasa numerator siya, gawin mo siyang denominator. Kung nasa denominator at negative yung exponent niya, itaas mo para maging positive. Okay? Yung kanyang exponent. So for this one, what is the fifth root? Okay, 1 over 5, and that's 32. And the fifth root is 1 half, right? So we have 1 half times negative 8, and that is negative 8 over 2. And what is 8 divided 2? That's 4. They don't have the same sign, so the answer is negative. Alright? Now, number 5. For number 5, again, same thing. But is the fourth root. So, answer na muna natin to. Fourth root of 81. Then, cube yung nasa labas. So, that is equal. What is the fourth root of 81? That's 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. 27 times 3 is 81. So, 3. And then, cube. And that's equal to 27. And what is 27 times 5? Kukunin na natin si 5 na galing natin sa equation mismo. So, 5 times 27, so that's 135. So this is our answer. And then, for this one, okay, negative yung exponent. So we will need to make this a denominator para maging positive ang ating exponent. And then, pwede na tayo mag-solve. So we have fourth root of 625 quantity cube. And that's equal to, what's the fourth root of 625? I think that's 5, right? Because 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, times 5 is 625. So the answer is 5. And then, cube. So the answer is 100. I'm sorry. So meron palang ano yan, no? Numerator. So, that is 1 over 125. So that's the answer. And finally, number 7 and 8. So we will find first this number with exponential form, or exponent rather. So we have 1 over 8, 4 over 3 para maging positive, ibaba mo. And that's equal to 1 over cube root of 8, I think, raised to 4. That's equal to 1 over 16, right? Tama ba? What is the cube root of 8? That's 2. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So we have 1 over 16 times 12. That's equal to 12 over 16, right? And then simplest form by 4. So that is 3/4. 3/4 is the answer for number 7. And finally, we have, dalawa. Dalawa naman ito. So, ibababa natin isa kasi siya ay, ang tawag dito, negative. So, we have 1 over square root of 25 times 3. Raised to 3, I mean. And then for 16, we have fourth root of 16 raised to 3. Okay. For this one, we have 5 cubes, so that's 1 over 125, right? Because square root of 25 is 5. 5 cube is 125, so we have 1 over 125 multiplied to fourth root of 16. That's, I think, 2 cube, that's 8. So multiply, so we have 8 over 125. Pwede pa ba yan? Di na, no? So 8, divide natin siya ng 125, hindi na pwede. So we have this final answer for number 8. So these are the examples involving exponential notation. With that, thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, in this YouTube channel, you will find the playlists with the different subjects: general mathematics, practical research, advanced statistics, mathematics in the modern world, and basic calculus. Bye!